Couple of things to tell you about. One is Tropical Depression Priscilla. It's weakening dramatically, and it's not going to pose any threat to land. Then there's an area of interest which is south of Bermuda, and that is tangled up with an upper low. So there are very strong winds coming through just like this, and this thing has got a really low chance of developing. We may see something come up into Bermuda, some squally weather, but that is going to be about it. And outside of that, it's very quiet right now across a lot of the Atlantic, but that has not been the case in the Pacific. And this is a 24-hour loop. We're looking at the typhoon that grazed the eastern part of Japan, but did cause some very strong wind and some damage, as you saw. It is now racing out and into the northern part of the Pacific. And here's the model depiction of where it's going to go. It's going to move past parts of Russia and then eventually get over to Alaska by the time Saturday rolls around. It will not be a tropical system as it does this. It will be a non-tropical system that has some DNA from the typhoon, and we will likely see some stronger wind here in southwestern parts of Alaska down through the Aleutians, and some very heavy rain. And there's been a lot of heavy rain in southern Alaska around Anchorage in recent weeks, so that could lead to some flooding. On top of that, there's another system developing that is near Guam. It is a tropical depression. A lot of big thunderstorms associated with that, trying to form into a tropical storm here. And the models are picking up on this, taking it once again to the north and toward Japan. So by the middle of next week, we could again be looking at a typhoon or a strong tropical storm affecting Japan. This is Wednesday, midnight, our time. So we shall see if yet another storm is headed their way.